first video that started this volume was called Touch, and now on our sixth video we have a video titled Don't Touch. What I'm trying to say in this video is don't make contact with the wooden dummy. Try not to make contact with the wooden dummy. Take your touch positions that you've learned, your contact touch positions that you practiced, and now just stop kind of just short of actually making contact with any part of the wooden dummy. Challenge yourself to navigate around the wooden dummy without ever actually touching it. Now, the strategy behind it, again, we'll discuss in a future volume. Strategy and technique come in a later volume. The ability to do this is more important, and that's why this first volume is set up this way. Okay, so if you need a form of reference, go back to the first and second videos. We talked about just basic touches, and now you can just mimic those motions as much as you can, as best you can, without ever touching any part of the wooden dummy. It's actually kind of fun to do this. If we were to go to our second video, which was Stay Connected, this dummy is still a little wet. It's got varnish on it, so I'm trying not to stay connected. But this would be an example of the sliding that I did on the second video. I'm just doing it without touching. Don't touch. Okay. And you see I'm actually twisting and turning. That was another video. I'm moving my feet. That's another. Okay. At the very end of this volume, we're going to try and put everything together. Okay. Touching, don't touching, staying connected, doubling up. Okay. There's all these terms you've been listening to in my other videos. Okay. This one, comically, is called Don't Touch.